Hello guys, and welcome to this new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to reduce all these spam messages from your WP website. If you notice, there are tons of spamming stuff out there, so you just make a comment and on your website you're just going to see full comments that are spam. So I'm going to use this my website for the example as I normally do. So now let me take one of my posts to show you how it's going to work. So okay, let me take this one that has most of the words. So now if you are on the main post page, when you scroll down a bit, you are going to see something called discussion. So if you check the discussion, it's going to give all your user the ability to make comments on your post, which a crawler can easily identify, and they are going to make comments too. So if you unmark it and you click on the update here, it's going to automatically disable that. So now if you don't see the discussion, so you just have to come up here on the screen option here, then you check it or you unmark it. So now that I uncheck it, I can't see it, I can't find it below here. So now if you go back, let me just go back up and check it back, then scroll down a bit, and you easily see it there that it's now showing. So if it happens that you did not see it, that's the way to get it back there. So now let me deactivate this plugin called Classic Editor, so I can easily show every other people that work with Gutenberg. So if you are working with Gutenberg, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So let me reload this page. So if I reload this page, I will now take one of my article to show you how it works. So the plugin Classic Editor has been successfully deactivated, I mean. So let me take the security camera post for this example. Okay, now the post is loading up. Is kind of slow here, so let me check. If you check the sidebar of your Gutenberg page, you see something called discussion, then you allow it if you want the comment. If you do not want it, just unmark the allow comment. That's very important. So now if it happens that it might happen that you might not see it in your own, so all you have to do, it's not very hard, you just have to click this double three button here and scroll down a bit, then click on the preference. So under the preference, you can scroll down a bit here, then you see the discussion. So when you mark it, it's going to show up in the main interface where you edit and publish your article. So you just have to check it there, then you go back to your discussion, you locate your discussion, then you unmark it, then you click or mark it if you want, then you click on update. Is good, then that's how it's going to work, guys. So it's very easy. So let me activate the Classic Editor back. That's that, guys. So if you enjoyed the video, kindly subscribe to my channel for more tips like this.